What it is, good people, it's your boy Shayon with Kings of Code. We're back for day 2 of 100 Days of Code. Right now we're on a live call with the success coaches from the Profit with JavaScript course that I'm enrolled in. Right now we're going over GitHub, the desktop, command line, and the website, pushing and pulling the files, adding files, and then in a few minutes we're about to start on a project in VS Code and then push that to GitHub through VS Code. So right now we've been on for about an hour. I'll come back and show you what we did. All right, so we're all done. I finished up my log on the 100 Days of Code log on GitHub, and I've also added the link for the code we did today. All I have to do now is figure out how to upload all of my code to website so that it'll be live. I appreciate you guys joining me. Shayon with the Kings of Code. We'll be back tomorrow with another one. We're down with day 2, on to day 3, 100 Days of Code. Holla at your boy.